Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Fifine K668 USB microphone. Alright, so I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to do some test audio as well, and I'm going to see how this USB microphone compares to the Blue Yeti microphone, which is what I'm using right now. Now there's a major price difference in these two USB microphones. So let me just quickly show this one. This is the Blue Yeti right now, and I'll just leave it right here. This one is like, in Canadian dollars, $120, $30. They range around that. This is around $30 both in Canada and the US, and they are both USB microphones. So I want to do an unboxing and I want to see if this is actually comparable to the Blue Yeti microphone, which is a professional recording microphone. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, so here we go. User guide. Instructions, pretty standard. It's kind of like a bookmark, just about like the social media. And this is what it looks like inside. Let's remove the microphone. It just goes like this. And this is the actual microphone. Ooh, and you can put it on a mic stand as well. That's kind of cool. And then here is the USB that connects to the laptop. And then we have a couple of other items in here. The foam screen, which I'll try it out with and without. And then the little stand that goes on it as well. So let's assemble this thing and put it together. It's my first time doing this. So I'm just gonna move these legs. Let's take this here and we'll attach this on. And I'm gonna do a test with this microphone compared to the Blue Yeti, and then with the foam screen on as well. So you guys can see, is this, if you are on a budget, is this something that you guys can go for? So I've screwed it on here. This is what it looks like. So the hinge here kind of just bends at this kind of an angle. It doesn't really seem to bend any more than that. So if you were to put it flat, it would go like this, and you can also put it upright just like that as well. And then the foam would just go on top here. And then there you go. This is what the unit looks like. In the next shots here, I'm going to plug this in and see how it sounds. Okay, so right now for reference, you are listening to me on the Blue Yeti microphone. This is the microphone that is a professional podcasting microphone. People use this all the time for tutorials on YouTube. It is about $130 in Canadian dollars. So now let's try the Fifine K668 USB microphone. Alright, so I've just plugged in the Fifine K668 microphone without the windscreen, and it's sort of sitting off to my right hand side. The Blue Yeti's on the left, which I've unplugged. I'm going to pick it up now and move it a little bit closer towards me. Don't have too much space here on the table, but this is the Fifine K668 USB microphone. I mean, it looks fine. It looks okay. I like the look of it. It looks cool. It's a lot lighter than the Blue Yeti, because the Blue Yeti is like an Oscar award. It's so heavy and big, so it's definitely not as portable. This microphone is more portable. Like if I were to go traveling, I would more likely bring this. I have no idea how it sounds right now, but in terms of size, I do like the size of the Fifine K668 USB microphone better, because I'll tell you, I never travel with this microphone. It's just too huge and too heavy to put in the suitcase. So I am in a room right now. I'm in an office that has a fan going on at the top for air circulation, and there's a plugged-in cooler, water cooler, that is also making noise. So I am now going to put the foam windscreen on here and see how it sounds. Alright, so the foam windscreen is on right now. You want to be careful when you're putting it on not to tear it or damage it. It's still in the exact same spot. I haven't moved it at all, so we still have the fan going, still have the water cooler going on, haven't moved it. How does this sound now? Again, this is the Fifine K668 USB microphone, and this has the foam windscreen on right now. Previously, I did not have it on, and we're trying to compare this $30 microphone to the Blue Yeti microphone, which is over $100. So if I was on a budget, I would for sure recommend the Fifine K668 USB microphone. If you had to choose between the two and it was purely like a money thing, I would choose this one. This microphone does not have any other sort of features that you can play around with to play around with the sound. You can go into the settings and alter the volume. That's pretty much all that you can do. Whereas, you know, the Blue Yeti has a whole bunch of, you know, knobs and buttons that you can play around with to get better sound. Like, I would use this if I was doing like a Skype call or a Google Hangout, or I would still even use it for tutorials like this. I definitely like the price, and it is comparable, in my opinion, to the Blue Yeti. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like this microphone better, the Fifine K668, or do you like the Blue Yeti microphone better? So if you are on a budget, I do highly recommend getting the K668 Fifine USB microphone. It's definitely worth it. It's light, it's portable. If you need it for, you know, even doing tutorial videos on YouTube, Google Hangouts, meetings, Skype calls, it's a USB microphone, so you pretty much just plug it in and it's ready to use. So if you are interested in checking out either of these microphones, head down to the description below, as I will have the links for you guys. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.